Think you know our cosmic neighborhood? Let's race through all 8 planets in under 3 minutes. First stop, Mercury. It's the closest planet to the Sun, but surprisingly, it's not the hottest. Lacking an atmosphere to trap heat, it swings from a roasting 430 degrees Celsius in the day to a freezing negative 180 degrees Celsius at night. It's essentially a scarred, speeding ball of iron. Next is Venus, Earth's evil twin. This is the hottest planet, choked by a thick, toxic atmosphere of carbon dioxide. The runaway greenhouse effect creates pressures that would crush you instantly, and it literally rains sulfuric acid onto a landscape of glowing volcanoes. The third planet is Earth, our perfect, vibrant home. It is the only known oasis in the cosmos where liquid water flows freely and life thrives. Shielded by a protective magnetic field and a breathable atmosphere, it's a fragile blue marble in the dark. Next is Mars, the red desert. Coated in iron oxide rust, this frozen world features Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, 3 times taller than Everest. It's a barren, icy wasteland that humanity desperately wants to colonize next. We now enter the outer solar system with Jupiter, the king of planets. This massive gas giant is 11 times wider than Earth. Its legendary Great Red Spot is a violent, raging hurricane, twice the size of our entire home planet, and it has been howling for centuries. Saturn, famous for its jaw-dropping rings made of billions of chunks of ice, rock, and dust. But despite its massive size, Saturn is mostly gas and incredibly light. If you could find a bathtub big enough, this entire planet would float. Uranus is the cosmic rebel. Unlike any other planet, it rotates completely on its side, practically rolling around the sun. This pale blue ice giant is wrapped in an atmosphere smelling strongly of rotten eggs, thanks to abundant hydrogen sulfide. Finally, the deep blue Neptune, the most distant planet from the Sun. Here, supersonic winds scream across the frozen atmosphere at over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Deep within its core, extreme atmospheric pressure literally squeezes carbon into a non-stop rain of diamonds. 8 completely different worlds, one wild cosmic neighborhood. Which planet would you dare to visit? Comment below, hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next frontier.